This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Qazx. By the way, Qazx is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will let you know how to prevent intrusion of this ransomware into the system. Now, before the ransomware attack, as you can clearly see, we don't have any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. Very soon, users realize that they cannot use their data anymore. This ransomware is called Qazx is because it encrypts files and appends this Qazx extension additionally to the file names. So someday users may turn their computers on and realize that something bad has taken place with their data and that they cannot access their files anymore because of this Qazx additionally appended extension. So this is what happens. You try to open this specific file and you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Qazx extension. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a certain ransom for file recovery. The amount of the ransom is $980, but definitely paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file recovery. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money. Don't pay the ransom. Don't waste the money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate threats that could remain on the system. Click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from being damaged in the future. And premium license is what you need for that purpose, and you may always request the free trial.